Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make crispy fried puff for Chinese New Year. Here is my dog Diamond wishing you a healthy and prosperous year of rabbit. Here is the fried puff, góc仔in Cantonese. It is a traditional Cantonese-style delicacy for the Chinese New Year, with filling contains peanut, sesame, coconut flakes, and sugar. Before we start, please remember to subscribe to my channel for recipe of other yummy food. Cut lard into smaller pieces. Sift cake flour. Use a pastry blender to combine flour and lard into a texture like breadcrumbs. Alternatively, you may add them into a food processor and pause for a few seconds to incorporate. Texture should be like this. Mix egg with icing sugar. Whisk to combine. Add half of the egg mixture into the flour. Press and push to combine. Alternatively, you may combine the dough and egg in a food processor for pausing for a few seconds. Add rest of egg mixture. Press and push the crumbly dough gently into a dough without kneading. Remember just to press and push the dough together without kneading it. Wrap dough with plastic and refrigerate for at least 1 hour. Toast peanuts at 300 Fahrenheit for 5 minutes inside air fryer. Add sesame and coconut flakes into a shallow pan. Stir and sauté at medium-low heat for 2 minutes. Pour peanuts, coconut flakes, and sesame into a food processor. Blend for a few seconds with texture like this. Add sugar and peanut butter. Blend for a couple seconds to combine. Here is filling for the fried puffs. Remove dough from fridge. Roll dough into a thin disc. Use a round mold about 6 cm in diameter to cut out small round pieces. Remember to cover the dough to prevent them from drying out. Roll each piece into an oval shape with center thinner and edge a little bit thicker. Add about half teaspoon filling into it. Press the edge to close. Squeeze and press the edge to make it thinner and about ½ centimeter wide. Use the thumb and second finger to fold and press the edge like this. Cover the puffs with plastic and refrigerate for 30 minutes. Heat oil to 320 Fahrenheit. Deep fry puffs for about 6 minutes until they are golden in color and becoming crispy. Let them cool down a bit. Let me try a piece. Crispy and yummy. The yummy crispy fried puffs, 角仔, are now ready to serve. Enjoy them for the Chinese New Year.